In order to ensure the aesthetics of the table, sometimes we need to adjust the text alignment within the table. Take this table as an example. Go to the Edit mode and open Tools. In the Home tab, we can find the Align Text ribbon. Here, we can select 9 types of text alignment. They are Top Left Align, Top Center Align, Top Right Align, Middle Left Align, Center Align, Middle Right Align, Bottom Left Align, Bottom Align, Bottom Right Align, respectively. We can choose the different alignments according to our needs. If we need to change the text alignment in bulk, we can simply select the cell's range and corresponding alignment. We choose Center here. In WPS Office for PC, aligned text is more versatile and easy to operate. Please feel free to use aligned text in WPS Office for PC.